Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this 38-piece Keppel radio removal tool set. You can see we have a variety of different bits for a variety of different vehicles and radio manufacturers. I'll give you an up close look at these in just a second, but this is the basic overview of them. Let me just grab one out for you. This is the one I recently used on a radio removal job, so this is the Clarendon one. And yeah, this is the set. Nice quality steel. They are quite flexible as well, which is always useful. The quality, firm, useful, not too small. I mean, some of them are smaller, but you need them to be smaller, but for this particular one, you've plenty of meat to grab hold of. So not too bad at all. So here's just some info for all the removal tools in this set. There are quite a few, 20 different ones in total, with different variations of radios. We have all the big name brands like Audi, Kenwood, Panasonic, JVC. So there's quite a few different ones in here for you to have a look at. So here's a radio that I removed from the car not too long ago. There's a video of the removal of this and the installation of a new one coming soon. As you can see, the radio comes in two parts. The main radio unit here, as you can see, and this outer cage. And the goal of these radio removal tools is to slide in through the gap here, as you can see. A bit difficult when it's not in a car. And then it pushes this tab up. Do the same on the other side quickly. Once that's in, it's a simple matter of pulling on these tabs and the radio will slide off. As you can see here, it just slides off. Obviously normally this part would be held in the car, so this cage would be held in the car normally, and these tools slide down the side of the radio and they hook into the little bits here, these little catching bits just here, so they just hook in just there like that. And they also release the tabs on the inside of these. I'm not sure if you can see that just down there, a little tab, and that's where the radio gets held on. So my final thoughts on this radio removal set. It's a great little set, has a massive variety of different cars and makes. We've got Sony, we've got your Kenwoods, got a couple of different Kenwoods, we've got your Clarendon, we've got another Clarendon there, we've got Fiat, we've got Volkswagen. There's a massive range of different cars that this covers, and it's really handy. Beats trying to get a radio out without the right tools. Sometimes you just need the right tools to do the job. If you need to remove a radio, pick up this set. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.